If you think you need to be a whale in crypto to farm airdrops, you're wrong. That's exactly how I was able to farm a six-figure airdrop by just using a platform, and 93% of all traders lose money. And so the number one rule of crypto that Warren Buffett has for himself is to never lose money. And so that's exactly my strategy that I'm implementing here with a new perp dex that is a competing protocol with Hyperliquid, and it has a huge potential due to the revenue that these protocols receive. These are one of the most profitable businesses in crypto. When was the last time you've ever seen a crypto exchange go bankrupt outside of getting any sort of exploit or hacks? So that's exactly what I'm doing with these new DEX protocols, these perp dexes, where I'm going to be trading. Even if I lose money on my trade, I'm making money just like I did with the airdrop I received with Hyperliquid. And the thing with this is that you want to be using it as early as possible. If you notice on Hyperliquid, the best time to be farming for the points was in the beginning. When it got towards the end of the airdrop campaign, it got increasingly more difficult to farm the points. So that's my strategy with this. Is not only am I going to not lose money with the strategy that I'm implementing, this delta neutral strategy, but I'm actually very early to this protocol. So I'm going to be getting the utmost amount of points from my activities on this. And that's really the objective here, is to get as much volume as you can that will translate to the points that eventually will get to the airdrop as well. So first off, we can see that there's tons of different tokens, and we want to look at the leverage that we're able to use. The more leverage, the better, because again, we don't want to be a whale or committing so much capital to this where it doesn't make sense. So we want to use as little capital as possible to make as much money as we can, and without losing any money at the same time. So I'm going to be targeting these high leverage tokens here, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Notice they have a 50x leverage. The other ones, such as Hype and these other ones like Sui or Aave, they're capped at like 5x or 10x, 20x. So the more leverage you can have, the more volume you're going to be creating, which is going to translate to a higher airdrop as well. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be opening a lot of trades at the same time. As soon as I'm in a profitable position, I'm going to close it out. And I'm also going to add a very tight stop loss. So this stop loss will be at 1%. The take profit, let's say I'm not really looking at it, it'll be very small right here. And we're just going to try to capture this range right here. You notice that this is mostly ranging right here within the last couple minutes here. So if we can capture this, not even the whole range, but just part of it, and then this downside of the range as well. So if we're able to capture this, take profit here, put our stop loss here, we're going to be creating a lot of volume. So we want to be trading on the smallest timescales possible. Right now we're on the 1 minute chart. And so right now we're up in profit 20 cents. I'm just going to take my profit. I'm going to close this out, and then I'm going to re-enter this as soon as we get down here again. So let's say we blow past this and we actually cross over and get over this resistance point here. Then I'm going to put my entry over here and see what the next range is, right? So next range that we're going to be targeting here, let's see, the resistance point is mostly around at this level. So I'm going to do my entry right here. Let's say that this keeps going up. We test this as support, and then this creates some support as we bounce off of it. I'm going to enter right around here. And then that way I'm able to capture this move up to here. So I'll close it out right there, and then I'll do the same thing. I'll close it out and then wait until it comes back down here to this line, and then I'll enter again and just repeat as much as I can, because the ultimate goal here is to create as much volume as I can. And this is what I'm doing with directional trading. But again, I want to also make sure I don't lose any money with this. And with this, there is a possibility to lose money. So the next thing I would need to do is do a delta neutral position. So for example, I will use Bitcoin. I'm going to go over here and type in my size, just $100 as an example. We have the leverage set to 40x leverage. And then we're going to do a market buy. We're going to do a long position. And so we're just going to click confirm buy. And then I'm going to be doing the exact same thing on another exchange, just the inverse. So instead of going long, I'm going to be going short. That's literally the only difference, but everything else is the same. So I need to make sure I have the same leverage set. So for this example, we have it set for 40x leverage. The next thing we need to have set right is the amount as well. So if we have $100 of USDC, we want to make sure we have $100 of USDC on the other exchange as well. And then we need to confirm the sell. And that way they're both balanced out. They're canceling each other out. So if I'm losing money in my long, let's say I have a long position and Bitcoin goes to 105 from right here. Right now we're at 109 and then it goes down to 109, right? So we're going down in this direction. I'm going to be losing money. So if we're losing money on one end, we're going to be making money on the other, and then it balances it out, cancels it all out. And that way we don't lose any money. That's the main objective. That's Warren Buffett's #1 rule to investing, is to not lose money. And so with this strategy, we're able to actually do that. And we're also able to get this airdrop qualification, which could be tens of thousands of dollars, maybe six figures, life-changing money for a lot of people. I know some people that made millions of dollars from Hyperliquid. And so this is a very good opportunity that I'm right now doing. And if you have any questions about this, you can always join our free Discord group. Link is in the bio or the description. And you can see all the other airdrops that I'm farming as well in 2025. You can get that list sent straight to your inbox. If you want to follow me on Twitter, where I'm posting this as soon as I find it, before I can actually make a video on it, just join me on DeFiTrader_. Thank you for watching today's video, guys. And make sure you subscribe and like the video if this helped you out at all. Would really appreciate that. Thanks again, guys. Catch you guys next time. Take care and be safe out there.